Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing great. Xiaomi launched their second gen smart speaker that it comes with IR remote control and it's priced for 4,999. In this video, let's unbox the device and see whether the speaker justifies its price or not. As usual, let's not waste the time, we'll directly jump into the video. First, let's unbox the device. This is the box of Xiaomi smart speaker. On the front, they mentioned Xiaomi smart speaker with IR control, its features, and finally picture of the speaker. On the left, they mentioned a few key functions that you can do with the speaker. Let's cut the seal and open the box. Inside, you'll get one speaker, one power adapter and user guide. First, let's talk about the design. The speaker comes with unibody design and it's completely made up of plastic. Bottom there is a port for power input and the speaker doesn't have any battery on the inside. The speaker completely works on direct power supply and bottom there are vents for audio output. The speaker comes with 1.5-inch full range driver. We'll talk about the sound quality shortly. When it comes to mic, the speaker have two far-field mic to listen audio from long distance. On the top we have 4 buttons, 2 volume rockers, 1 play pause button and finally 1 button to turn off the mic. And on the middle of the button, there is indicator light to show the status. On front, there is a LED display which only displays time. And its adaptive display, it automatically adjusts its brightness depending on the surrounding. Also by enabling DND mode, you can completely turn off this display. And finally, we have 4 IR sensor on the top of the speaker to control device from full 360 degree. Next, when it comes to setup, the setup is very easy. They provide everything on the user manual. You need to do 2 kind of setup. To use Google Assistant, you need to set it up with Google Home app. Next, you need to set it up with their MI Home app. Once we complete the setup, now we can access all its feature. Or you can just connect the speaker via Bluetooth to use the device as a speaker alone. Also, you can connect multiple speakers at the same time and use it as stereo speaker. When it comes to feature, the major feature will be Google Assistant. With Google Assistant, you can play pause song, ask for information, and you can do many more things. Next, the second feature would be you can control your smart home devices which connect on the same Wi-Fi as speaker.
Okay Google, turn off studio. Okay Google, turn on studio.
And the third feature is you can even control your non-smart device which have IR remote function. Things like AC, TV and the other device that have IR remote control function. Not just with phone, you can directly control it from the voice also. In MI app, there is an option to add IR remote control. Once you click that, there will be a list of devices. You need to choose the particular device that you want to control and you need to choose the brand of the product. Now it will show the various function button to set up this feature. Initially it's a long process. Once you completed it, it will be very handy. Next time whenever you want to control your non-smart device, you can just do it from the mobile. To control it directly from the voice, you need to open the Google app, click add option and there you can choose MI Home. Once you enter the name and password, the non-smart device will appear here. Now by using Google Assistant, you can directly control it from the voice.
Okay Google, turn on AC.
Okay, turning on the air conditioner remote control.
Also in the MI app, there is an option for automation. You can set timer to turn on or off the device. Next, when it comes to sound quality, here's the sample. If you're someone who concerned more about audio quality and punchy bass, then this speaker won't work out for you. Overall, if you're someone who is looking for just good sounding speaker, there are lots of choices under 5,000 rupees. But if you're someone who's looking for smart speaker that offer more function, then you can go ahead with Xiaomi smart speaker. That's it for today. Hope you'll find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.